Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. So guys, I saw the screenshot of what Vuyokazi posted on her Instagram stories. I saw it on Twitter where people were speaking about it. Now guys, you can see the screen. Vuyokazi said, "You guys lied. This is painful, but I did it anyways." And then at the bottom, she says, "Covered up my mommy makeover scar." So you can see, guys, she did a big tattoo laphayana esinqeni to not esinqeni around her womb area. Well, it is isinga, but anyway, she did a tattoo there, guys, to cover up her mommy makeover scar. Hey guys, as these people are not honest or fully honest to us about these things. I didn't even know, guys, when you go and do a mommy makeover, nama tummy tap, that you come back with scars. I even thought that, okay, you'll come back with bruising, but it's nothing Ikachikura or Ipayo oil will not solve. Until you're sitting with scars for life, guys. Must this scar, guys, is as good as a C-section scar. Haike abantu were like, listen, Vuyokazi is officially a certified baddie. But yeah, there's no going back emzumbe from this point. Abanye ke feel ukuthi you don't just become a baddie out of the blue. Shooty, this thing has been in her for a while, and then Imali exposed what was already in her heart, that Vele, she wants to beg herself a man onemali. Cause yay, angazi guys, was it a good thing or a smart move to post this on Instagram? Some things, guys, should just remain in your image folder, you know? Some things just keep them a secret for your special person, you know? And angazi, but for the whole world to see, I guess it's not that deep for her. And at the end of the day, guys, baddie, we are living in 2026. It is your body, and you get to decide what you want to do. As long as it makes you happy, then, you know, never mind the rest and who gets to say what. Anyway, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. And I'll see you guys on the next one.